Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. This is day 18 of the holiday Advent and we're doing red. Okay, so let's see what's going on today. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, or you're going to have a wonderful day. If not, or you're going to have a wonderful night. Okay, make it all good. Day, night, morning. I don't know, for some strange reason I feel really good. You know, normally when that happens, you're waiting for something to drop. Bam. Because it seems like it normally do. But I'm just, you know, I was watching Lottie on Cancer is a Lifestyle. And she said, mention, you know, find something you can be grateful for. And I've been so grateful. I'm just, you know, I'm very grateful that I'm here. I'm grateful that even though the world is changing like it always do, we just haven't seen it change like this, but we always see change, you know. We've seen the market go up, we see the market go down, we've seen houses go up, we've seen houses lose value, we have seen all kind of things in our lifetime, and then for some reason, we are always still shocked when these things happen. Now we see something like the pandemic in our generation, where other generations have had major pandemics, I guess, or other, I don't know the right word for it, where they have had breakouts and they had to handle it. You know, I think maybe one thing that's different with us is that we are very selfish, and we don't care about anybody else, and so we're not healing, just like we don't care about the earth, and the earth is going through a major change, and we are going through major change, and it's one of those things where we got to look and say, what are we really doing? You know, what are we really doing? What's really important? You know, and that's been going on a lot for me this year, even though during this whole year. And I said at the beginning of the year, I was just going to work. And, you know, I've been working a lot. But I've also been growing spiritually. And this is a good time to grow spiritually. Whatever your belief is, this is a good time to pick it up and dig in and find out what's really real for you, what's really true. So I'm happy that I am learning how to love God and how to let go of all kind of things, and how to continue living, you know, continue living. And yeah, so that's how you know, I'm grateful. So what are you grateful for? You know, put it down, you know, remember it. Sorry. So let's do number 7. Do I have 8? Oh, no, yeah. Let's do number 7. Okay, you guys. This one is easier than the other one. But I think as they all get a little weak, open the next one. Okay, you ready? I'm just talking and then I stop in mid-talk. 1, 2. Oh! I was saying about that puppy. They fooled me. Look, remember I was saying I want that puppy would have been cute. Look at that. Oh, yes. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I am. Should I do the leg thing? I don't know. But they always look so small. See my hand? I always tell you guys I have big hands, okay? They look so small. Let's see if I can get this leg. Oh, they are so cute. Okay. There we go. I had to hold the leg. Have to help the leg. Okay. Cute. So that is day 18. I really do like that. I can't wait until it get a little bit warmer and I can wear these. Very nice. So you guys take care until tomorrow. I will will see you then. That's about it.